Hello student, welcome to my lecture on complex analysis. Now Lorentz series statement: if f of z is analytic within and on the ring shaped region R, f of z is analytic within and on the ring shaped region R bounded by two connected circles C1 and C2 of radius R1 and R2, where R2 is less than R1 respectively, having center at point z is equal to z0, then for all z in R, f of z is uniquely represented by a convergent Lorentz series, and Lorentz series is given by f of z is equal to a0 plus a1 z minus z0 plus a2 into z minus z0 square plus up to infinite plus a minus 1 upon z minus z0 plus a minus 2 upon z minus z0 square plus up to infinite. This is equation, we give this equation number 1. સમેશન માં લખી શકાય આપણે summation n is equal to 0 to infinite an into z minus z0 raised to n plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite a minus n into z minus z0 raised to n, where an is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I close interval over close curve interval integration or close curve C1 f of t upon t minus z0 raised to n plus 1 dt, equation number 2, and a minus n is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integration over closed curve C2 f of t upon t minus z0 raised to minus n plus 1 dt, equation number 3. If C1 and C2 are replaced by any concentric circle C between C1 and C2, equation 1 can be written as f of z is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinite to infinite an into z minus z0 raised to n, where an is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integration over closed curve C f of t upon t minus z0 raised to n plus 1 dt. Equation 1 માં આપણે in equation 1 z minus z0 raised to minus में લખી શકાય. તો નેગેટિવ પાવર જે છે બરાબર z minus z0 નેગેટિવ પાવર in equation number 1. This is principal part of Lorentz series. Equation 1. The series with negative powers of z minus z0, that is summation n is equal to 1 to infinite an a minus n into z minus z0 raised to minus n is called principal part of Lorentz series. અહીંયા જ આપણે મળ્યું કે પ્રિન્સિપલ પાર્ટ ઓફ Lorentz series કોને કહેવાય? તો કે ઇક્વેશન 1 માં જે સિરીઝ આપેલી છે એમાં જે નેગેટિવ પાવર ઓફ z minus z0 જે છે that is summation n is equal to 1 to infinite a minus n into z minus z0 raised to minus n is called principal part of Lorentz series. Now expansion of Lorentz series at the point z is equal to 1. Expand in Lorentz series 1 upon z into z minus 1 square at the point z is equal to 1. So put the value of z minus 1 is equal to t, then 1 upon z into z minus 1 square is equal to 1 upon z minus 1 is equal to t, so t square, and z is equal to minus 1 આ બધો છે તો પ્લસ 1 છે, so 1 plus t, so t 1 upon t square into 1 plus t no minus 1 power, so 1 plus t raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 minus t plus t square minus t cube plus up to infinite. હવે 1 upon t square ને અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો 1 upon t square minus 1 upon t plus 1 minus t plus t square up to infinite. Now to put the value of t ની value આપણે શું મળે z minus 1, so 1 upon z minus 1 square minus 1 upon z minus 1 plus 1 minus z minus 1 up to plus z minus 1 square. અને આપણે સમીકરણમાં લખી શકાય summation n is equal to 0 to infinite minus 1 raised to n z minus 1 raised to n minus 2. This is Lorentz series. હવે આપણે જે નેગેટિવ પાર્ટ, ઓકે, નેગેટિવ પાવર z minus 1 raised to minus 1 છે, આ નેગેટિવ પાવર, so આને કહેવાય પ્રિન્સિપલ પાર્ટ ઓફ Lorentz series. The expansion is valid only when mod z minus 1 is less than 1. Z is equal to 0 should not be a point within the circle. Hence, the expansion is valid if 0 less than mod z minus 1 less than 1. Now the next example, f of z આપણે આપેલ છે 1 upon z plus 1 into z plus 3. In the Lorentz series valid for mod z less than 1 and second 1 less than mod z less than 3. So f of z is equal to બંનેને આપણે અલગ અલગ લખ્યું 1 upon z plus 1 minus 1 upon z plus 3, આનો LCM આવશે z plus 1 into z plus 3. આ બંનેને આપણે અલગ પાર્શિયલ ફ્રેક્શનમાં લખ્યા આપણે. So f of z is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 upon z plus 1 minus 1 upon z plus 3. Now first, mod z less than 1 implies mod z upon 3 less than 1 by 3. બંનેને 3 વડે ડિવાઇડ કર્યા તો mod z by 3 less than 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is less than 1. So 1 plus z, f of z is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus z raised to minus 1 minus, यहाँ 3 common ले रहे तो minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus z by 3 raised to minus 1. This is less than 1. 1 by 3 is less than 1. So now 1 by 2 into 1 plus z raised to minus power 1 expansion 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube plus up to infinite minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 plus z by 3 nu 1 plus z by 3 raised to minus 1 no expansion 1 minus z by 3 plus z square by 3 square minus z cube by 3 cube plus up to infinite. હવે આને minus 1 by 3 ની અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો minus 1 by 3 plus z by 9 minus z square by 27 plus z cube by 81 minus up to infinite. હવે આ બંનેને એડ કરીએ તો 1 minus 1 by 3 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 9, so minus 8 upon 9 into z plus 26 upon 27 into z square plus up to infinite. So 1/2 ને અંદર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો આપણે f of z મળશે 1/3 minus 4/9 into z plus 13/27 into z square. Now 1 is less than mod z less than 3. So here mod z is greater than 1 and mod z is less than 3. So here we take z common, 1 plus 1 by z, z into 1 plus 1 by z. So 1 by z is common, 1 plus 1 by z raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus z by 3 raised to minus 1. બંનેનું એક્સપાન્શન કરશું, આની સાથે 1 upon z મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું અને આની સાથે minus 1 by z મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું તો આપણને મળશે 1 plus 1 by z raised to minus 1 હોય તો 1 minus 1 by z plus 1 by z square minus 1 by z cube plus up to infinite minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus z by 3 plus z square by 9 minus z cube by 27 plus up to infinite. હવે આની સાથે 1 by z મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો અને આની સાથે minus 1 by 3 મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો અને બંનેનું સિમ્પ્લિફિકેશન કરો તો this is 1 by z plus 1 by z 1 by minus 1 by z square plus 1 by z cube અને આની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે તો minus 1 by z raised to 4 minus 1 by 3 1 by 3 આની સાથે minus 1 by 3 multiply with 1 so minus 1 by 3 minus minus plus z by 9 minus z square by 27 minus minus plus z cube by 81 up to infinite. So here આપણે જોઈ લઈએ કે negative power of z minus z0 is this is principal part of Lorentz series and this is expansion of Lorentz series. Now we find the expansion of Lorentz series cos z by z raised to 5 about 0. So for all z cos z is equal to cos z ને લખી શકીએ આપણે 1 minus z square by 2 plus z raised to 4 by 24 is the 1 minus z square by 2 factorial plus z raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus z raised to 6 by 6 factorial plus z raised to 8 by 4 factorial plus up to infinite. હવે આને cos z ને 1 by 5 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ સોરી z raised to 5 વડે અને 4 z not equal to 0 તો આને આખાને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ 1 by z raised to 5 સાથે તો આની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય તો 1 by z raised to 5 into 1 so 1 by z raised to 5 minus and z square upon z raised to 5 so minus 1 by 2 into z cube plus z raised to 4 upon z raised to 5 so upon z 1 upon 24 into z minus 1 upon 720 into z plus z cube upon 8 factorial is 40320. So here તો આપણે જે લોરેન્ટ્ઝ સિરીઝ એક્સપાન્શન મળ્યું આપણે અબાઉટ 0 પણ લોરેન્ટ્ઝ સિરીઝમાં આપણે એટલું માહિતી મળી રહે કે પ્રિન્સિપલ પાર્ટ કોને કહેવાય તો કે આ પ્રિન્સિપલ પાર્ટ સોરી આને કહેવાય પ્રિન્સિપલ પાર્ટ z ની z minus 0 નું -1 मीन्स के नेगेटिव पार्ट जे छे ई बधाय प्रिंसिपल पार्ट ऑफ द लॉरेंट सीरीज. Now zeros of an analytic function, the value of z for which An analytic function f of z is equal to 0 is called a simple 0. The value of z for which an analytic function f of z is equal to 0 is called 0. If f of z can be expressed in the form f of z is equal to z minus z0 raised to m into phi of z, but phi of z0 not equal to 0, then z minus z0 is called 0 of mth order of the function f of z. If f of z can be expressed in the form z minus z0 raised to m into phi of z, but phi of z0 not equal to 0, then z is equal to z0 is called 0 of mth order of the function f of z. તો આપણે કોઈ ફંક્શન આપેલું હોય z સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 1 is equal to 0, so અને શું લખી શકાય z is equal to plus or minus iota, so this is simple 0. By expanding f of z about z0 in power series, f of z is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite an z minus z0 raised to n is equal to a0 plus a1 into z minus z0 plus a2 z minus z0 square plus up to infinite. Now the definition holds. A regular point of f of z is a point where f of z is analytic. A regular point of f of z is a point where f of z is analytic. A regular point of f of z is a point where f of z is analytic. F of z can be expanded about the singular point z0 in Lorentz series in the form f of z is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinite n into z minus z0 raised to n plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinite a minus n into z minus z0 raised to minus n. This is Lorentz series of f of z, and f of z in the f of z, the principal part of Lorentz series is this summation n is equal to 1 to infinite a minus n into z minus z0 raised to minus n. If the principal part of the Lorentz series, that is expansion form में लिखे तो a minus 1 upon z minus z0 plus a minus 2 upon z minus z0 square plus up to a minus n upon z minus z0 raised to n, where a minus n not equal to 0 has only a finite number of terms. Means के principal part of Lorentz series में finite number of terms, principal part of Lorentz series finite number of terms होय at z is equal to z0 is called a pole of order n. A pole of order 1, that is n is equal to 1, is called simple pole. If a pole of order 1 is called simple pole, a pole of order 2 is called double pole. F of z is equal to z square minus 2z plus 7 upon z minus 2 as a simple pole at z is equal to 2. F of z is equal to z square minus 2z plus 7. So z common ले तो z into z minus 2 plus 7 upon z minus 2. So z into z minus 2 upon z minus 2. So z minus 2 cancel out. So z plus 7 upon z minus 2. So આને લખી શકાય 2 plus z minus 2 plus 2 cancel out એટલે so z 2 plus z minus 2 plus 7 upon z minus 2 raised to 1. So this is z minus z0 raised to minus 1, and this is finite. This is principal part of the Lorentz series. This is principal part of the Lorentz series, and this is finite. So n is equal to 1. So pole of order 1. So simple pole. Find order of f of z is equal to 1 minus e raised to 2z upon z cube. Find the pole of order f of z is equal to 1 minus e raised to 2z upon z cube. F of z is equal to 1 minus e raised to 2z upon z cube. So 1 upon z cube common, 1 minus. Now write the expansion of the e raised to 2z. E raised to 2z is equal to 1 plus 2z upon 1 factorial plus 2z square. So 4z square upon 2 factorial plus 2z cube is equal to 8z cube upon 3 factorial plus 2z raised to 4 upon 4 factorial. So 16z raised to 4 upon 4 factorial plus up to infinite. So 1 minus minus ની સાઇન અંદર આપી અને 1 minus minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 cancel થઈ જશે. So minus 2z upon 1 factorial minus 2z square minus 4 by 3z cube minus 2z raised to 4 upon 3. Now multiplying 1 upon z cube, so minus 2 upon z square minus 2 upon z minus 4 by 3 minus 2z by 3. So this is principal part of the Lorentz series, and this is finite, and the which shows that f of z has pole of order 2 at z is equal to 0. Principal part of Lorentz series માં જે maximum power હોય a pole of order. Find pole of f of z is equal to 1 upon e raised to z. So here f of z is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to z. So to find pole, equating the 1 minus e raised to z is equal to 0. 1 minus e raised to z is equal to 0. So e raised to z is equal to 1. So e raised to z is equal to 1 is equal to e raised to 2n pi I. So 2n, so z is equal to 2n pi I, where n is equal to 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 up to infinite. So f of z has a simple pole at z is equal to 2n pi I. Thank you.